Hello everyone and welcome back to Wrangler. Today I'm going to be demoing our Write module, which again when you log in it's right here or in the side toolbar. You will be submitting your manuscripts to the Write module for the convenience of just getting feedback from me instead of having to download documents and then upload them or introducing another technology like Google Docs. Instead, we're going to try it here in Wrangler. What you need to do is put a title to it, to your document. Let's try Introduction. Then you have the option of copy and pasting each section of your article, but of course right now we're just focusing on introduction, so paste your introduction in there, and then you can create your document. Now, I think some of you maybe noticed in the Analyze module that Wrangler doesn't like figures and tables. We are not, or I am not evaluating tables and figures in this class. If you want me to look at them, I'd be happy to when you submit your very final manuscript. That should include everything that you would send off to your advisor. But right now, I'm more interested in the writing content leading up to a figure. So if you do have a figure or a table in your introduction, which is not common, you can just put a little placeholder, something like place figure 1 here, right? But once you're done, and I have some spacing issues, so I'm going to change that, and then I'm going to create document. If you for some reason get the error message, don't panic, just go ahead. It turns into a basic text editor, so you can then just copy and paste, all right? But if you're working in the introduction section, you can switch to introduction. If you want to submit your methods, you can do the same thing, switch to methods, and then copy and paste, results, copy and paste, discussion, copy and paste, right? So that way, when you have this file, which I actually labeled introduction draft, I should just label it grad 5193 draft or something like that, whatever you want to do. And that way, when you click on here to that actual draft and you add multiple sections, it'll all be right there. You don't have to add like introduction here and then a new document for methods, a new document for results. It all ends up being in just that one document. Okay. So if there's any glitches here, we're going to figure them out before next week. But again, just add here, and then I will provide comments, and you'll see that little red asterisk like you saw in my earlier video in the Analyze module. That signifies that there's a comment there. But anyway, I'm going to be seeing you in one-on-one conferences this week, so I can give you a little bit more of a one-on-one overview of how to do this. But we're going to be mainly talking about your outlines, any questions about writing, and if you have any writing done, we can actually look at your writing. Because I'm going to be seeing how you are able to transition from the blues and reds and greens in a cohesive way that brings your ideas together rather than staggering them throughout your introduction so that you are losing your reader. So really think about that big picture, that flow, that cohesion, that argument structure. So I look forward to seeing your draft submitted to Wrangler this week, and if you have any questions, please just let me know.